We all know importance of rice flour for skin. Today in this video I am going to share rice flour face pack. We will use some effective ingredients that will make your skin more pretty. It's hypothesized that the primary ingredients found in rice flour act as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents that function to prevent skin aging, reduce UV damage, promote skin lightening, and improve skin and hair regrowth. Brown rice protein has been touted as a natural exfoliant. To make this remedy, you will need rice flour, turmeric, milk. Let's start preparation of rice flour face pack.